One day, somebody asked me, how come Vibrant Mind students are getting multiple job opportunities as well as multiple job offers? Yes, we have few candidates, those who are having three offer letters in hand. And why other freshers in the market, they are not able to get a job? Uh, what is the reason behind this? Then I said, see, the thing is getting job, it requires skills. Without skills, it is absolutely really difficult to get a job. And as a fresher, you need to have certain skills. Skills like aptitude skills, communication skills, technical skills, and you need to have that kind of confidence. During the training, we try to add these things into students, and these things helps them to get a job, and that's why our students are having multiple offer letters in hand. We provide unlimited opportunities to candidates and number of opportunities continuously throughout the year. Continuously we keep organizing campus drives for our students. Just appearing for campuses is not important. You need to have required skills, expected skills by the industry. Now people, they just go for courses, right, without understanding about the requirement of the industry. Please try to understand that you need to have skills. That means you need to have certain knowledge about the technology, and that knowledge you need to learn how to implement in real time, how to find out the solutions, how to implement that knowledge to find out the solutions of different problems. So just knowing a definition of polymorphism or inheritance or any technology in Java, it is not going to help you. That kind of knowledge is all candidates, they possess that kind of knowledge. Many freshers, there are a lot of candidates, engineers, graduates, postgraduates, they know technology, but the difference is, if you know that technology, you need to learn how to implement that technology into real time. You need to have conceptual understanding, and that understanding is given by our trainers, those who are having 10 plus years of experience. They are expert in training, and they will give you idea, they will give you knowledge, as well as they will teach you how to implement that knowledge to find out the right solutions. In software development, you will be finding solutions to different problems, and this knowledge is going to help you. Companies, when they hire, they look for talent, they look for skills. There are a lot of freshers in the market, but few of them get job, not all of them, because those who are having skills, they can get a job. Companies are interested in your skills, not only in your degree. Of course degree will matter, your academic performance will matter, but without skills, just because you have good percentage or you do not have, or maybe you are from xyz college, or it is not only that criteria. Majorly companies, they conduct screening rounds on the basis of, or in a way like aptitude, communication skills, technical skills, and these three skills they check through different types of screening rounds or the recruitment process. So here what I'm trying to tell you is, if you want to get a job as a fresher, you need to have particular skills, and if you have those skills, then you need to get the opportunities, you need to have, or you need to uh, get good opportunities of different companies, and then you can get placed into IT industry, or maybe any other company. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you want to get placed, upgrade yourself if you don't have knowledge, and if you do have knowledge, then try to focus on getting job by utilizing your skills. This is Vikas Shande from Vibrant Minds Technologies. I am here to announce that we are launching a batch, new batch of a job guaranteed program. Yes, we are going to give you a job guarantee. Otherwise, 70% fees we will return if you will not get placed within a year from our side. Absolutely. We believe in skills, as I said, and we will give you particular skills. We will teach you, we will train you, we will help you to understand and implement different terms, different technology aspects, and we will give you a real time experience of working on a project, maybe approximately for 3 months, and 3 months classroom training. Okay, that will help you to prove yourself in recruitment process of different companies. And of course, we will give you unlimited placement calls till you get placed. Yes, we have given very good packages. I mean, like, we have organized campuses for various companies, those who offer excellent packages. We have few product based companies, those who offer 4.5 as an average package to freshers. We have placed many candidates with 3.5, 4.5, even like 6.5 lakhs per annum highest package. Few candidates got more than that. But if you are just dreaming about package, then it is not going to help you. You need to understand on other side, you need to have particular skills. The more you learn, the more you can earn. And hence, please keep it in mind that if you will have, or if you will upgrade yourself, then and only then it will be easy for you to get placed into industry. It's simple. Like, if you have skills, then you will appear for interviews or any screening round confidently. Automatically that confidence will reflect on your face. You will answer questions confidently because you know that technology, or you know those skills. And that's why that confidence and those skills will help you to grab that opportunity. Hence, we always mention that skills are important. And if you want to upgrade skills, and if you want to get placed into industry, we can help you out. Yes, in this job guaranteed program, total 6 months of training, 3 months uh, theoretical or practical training, basically about technology, aptitude, communication skill, group discussion. We start with this question. We ask you to prepare. We help you to prepare. Tell me about yourself. And of course, with that advanced level of technologies, I mean, like, different technologies, and which will help you to get the real time experience by working on different projects also with us, maybe for our client companies, or maybe in our in-house product development team, which will give you a real time knowledge and skills. And after that, we will provide you excellent job opportunities exclusively for you. Through that, you can grab the opportunity, you can get placed into industry. And yes, that's our responsibility to make you employable through our different training programs. Different aspects are there to train you, and our expert trainers will help you to understand and learn those things as soon as possible or quickly. And we will give you all those things which are required to get a job. And that's why we are giving guarantee. We believe in skills, and we will give you those skills which are required to get a job, which will help you to get placed as well as to start career. Join our job guaranteed course. You can contact us on our mobile numbers 95035795117, or you can visit our website www.vibrantmindstech.com, or you can contact through email. WhatsApp groups are there, whatever the way you prefer. And take first step towards your career. Join Vibrant Minds Job Guaranteed program. We are launching this batch, and yes, I repeat again, we will give you a guarantee. And if you will not get placed within a year, we will return your 70% of the fees, whatever fees you have paid for this course. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for listening. If you are interested, please connect with us as soon as possible. Thank you so much.